Hello! We're excited to show you our native speech capabilities.
Where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
Below is a breakdown of the specific Windows key shortcuts you requested for 2026. Navigation and System Shortcuts. Win plus E. Open File Explorer to quickly browse files and folders. Win plus D. Show or hide the desktop. Pressing it once minimizes all windows. Pressing it again restores them. Win plus M. Minimize all open windows. Win plus I. Open the Settings menu. Win plus period. Open the emoji panel, which also includes symbols, GIFs, and clipboard history. Window management, snap, and size. These shortcuts are essential for organizing multiple windows on your screen. Win plus up arrow. Maximize the active window to fill the screen. Win plus down arrow. Restore a maximized window or minimize it if it is already restored. Win plus left arrow. Snap the active window to the left half of the monitor. Win plus right arrow. Snap the active window to the right half of the monitor. Related power shortcuts. Win plus tab. Open Task View to see all open windows and virtual desktops. Win plus V. Access clipboard history to see multiple items you have recently copied. Win plus X. Open the Quick Link menu, Power User menu, for advanced system tools like Device Manager.